When Fidelity Bank set out to transform Ghana's banking sector, it was no more than a dream that rested on the shoulders of a few. The vast majority of banks operating in the country focused on the already banked 30% of the population, designing products and processes that catered only to a small fraction of people. For the remaining 70%, banking seemed like a distant, cumbersome prospect filled with barriers, lengthy processes, intimidating documentation requirements, and the prevailing myth that banking was only for the privileged. This reality presented an enormous opportunity for change, and Fidelity Bank took on the challenge. In 2013, Fidelity Bank piloted its agency banking model with 24 agents in Accra. By 2014, it had officially launched the Fidelity Smart Account, a revolutionary product with minimal Know Your Customer requirements, allowing accounts to be opened in just 5 minutes. This initiative made Fidelity Bank the first in Ghana to introduce an agency banking network and a mini KYC account, following the approval from the Bank of Ghana. From the busy capital to rural villages, the nation is dotted today with thousands of agents in shopping centers, pharmacies, barbershops, and more.
The Fidelity financial inclusion journey has been an interesting one for the last 10 years. Understanding what the customer needs are, what we had to identify as a business is that, first of all, the product needs to be useful, it needs to meet the needs of the customers, and also it needs to be delivered in a responsible and sustainable way. Making sure that the products and services themselves are affordable to the customers. This is what financial inclusion means to Fidelity Bank.
Digitization and technology has helped the bank leapfrog some of the obvious barriers with regards to driving financial inclusion. Some of these barriers are cost to serve and cost to acquire. By leveraging on the increased penetration of mobile phones, we've been able to deliver platforms that enable us to do these two things seamlessly and enhance the engagement levels with that target group.
Fidelity Bank's pioneering efforts in agency banking did not go unnoticed. In 2020, the bank was awarded the Best Bank in Agency Banking by the Business Finance Innovation Awards, and later received the Excellence in Agency Banking Award in 2022 by the Instinct Business Awards. The Digital Financial Literacy IVR platform was awarded the Product Launch of the Year at the 11th edition of MWA. Fidelity Bank's agents network, now over 8,000 strong, is the largest bank-led agent network in Ghana, serving over 1.5 million customers.
The agency banking model has grown significantly since our pilot in 2013, starting with just 24 agents in Accra. Today we have over 8,000 agents across the country, bringing banking services to over 1.5 million Ghanaians. Key milestones include our direct integration with our telco partners, where agents are able to pull funds from the mobile network operators and push same to the agency platform in order for them to undertake transactions.
Indeed, the future is inclusive. 10 years of Fidelity agency banking has proved that banking is not for a select few. Irrespective of age, gender, trade, location, educational background, or economic standing, we are proud to say that Fidelity Bank is a welcoming partner to your dreams and aspirations through financial inclusion.
So with the launch of the Smart Account, it was quite important that we make sure that all these necessary features are embedded in the Smart Account. And this is what we achieved with the Smart Account. In the last 10 years, the Smart Account has seen over 1 million customers. Today, inclusive banking holds over 1.5 million customers. We've rolled out significant products for our customers to ensure that they can have a minimal way of onboarding and becoming part of the bank. We did the same with the Smart Life. So via the Smart Life, just an ID, you get to onboard, and in just 2 minutes, you have an account with us, and then you have your account number. Again, we also rolled out what we call the Smart on USSD. This meant that sitting in the comfort of your home and dialing a short code, you can become a Fidelity Bank customer via that short code and have a smart account in the comfort of your home. What we're going to do in the next 10 years and beyond is to deliver the microcredit, which is ready. It's going to be rolled out very soon. This is what we call the Smart Loan. So the Smart Loan is going to be available to all customers. No need to visit the branch. No need to visit any of our agent points. Just sit in the comfort of your home and dial in a short code. on the mobile app, on our USSD, and even on WhatsApp, you can receive what we call the smart loan. There's no need for collateral, no documentation required. Within 2 minutes, less than that, seconds, you will get your smart loan in your smart account. This is what we call a BEFA.
Fidelity Bank's story is a powerful example of how financial institutions can drive inclusive growth by breaking down barriers, building trust, and bringing services closer to the people. The journey is far from over, but the foundation laid over the past decade positions Fidelity Bank as a true leader in financial inclusion in Ghana. Fidelity Bank. Believe with us.